Okay, everyone, we're doing this one from the car because I literally just put an appraisal packet together, which means this was top of mind. I wanted to talk about what an appraisal means from the sales side, what it is, how it works. So an appraisal is when a licensed professional will determine the value of your home. This is usually required by the buyer's lender. They'll take a look at size and layouts, conditions, any upgrades that you've made, and then they'll also compare it to recent sales in your neighborhood. So you'll always want to put your house in the best light. So tidy up, fix any minor repairs, highlight those upgrades. And then if it comes in above the contract price, great. If it comes in lower, we may need to renegotiate with the buyers. So whether you are getting ready to sell or thinking about selling in the near term, send me a message and we'll get a preliminary market value so that you're prepared for this stuff.